Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Before we get started, bibili muna tayo ng lunch. Kakain tayo ng hotdog. So tara. Yan o. So yan ang Nathan's. Ay, syempre di nyo makita. So yan ang Nathan's. So dito siya sa may Green Hills, they serve the best hot dog and burgers in town. So we will be ordering and then kakain and then we will actually formally start the vlog. We have the bacon cheeseburger. Ano yung sa'yo? Meron tayong fries. Tapos meron kaming chili dog para kay Mrs. Tapos for me, I'm having their bacon cheeseburger. Take a look at the fries. So that's their bacon cheese fries.
Yum.
Deadly! Deadly! So anyway, kakain lang kami. Pagkatapos nun, sa start na talaga natin yung vlog, ha? Okay guys, so ano ba plano natin today? Back home, by the way. So, two things. Number one, I'm going to unbox and review a pair of Huaraches that I got from Nike. Really nice shoe. And then, sasama ko kayo kasi we'll be dropping off a bunch of shoes that we'll be selling at the online steel cabinet. I'll be dropping it off kay Sean. Hopefully, lahat na mangyari before the curfew. So, yun ang ating plano for today. Let's go! By the way, before we get started with today's episode, guys, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. If you guys are looking for amazing accessories such as their new beaded bracelets over here or their necklaces, they have this really cool like minimalist bar one that I have on right now. Make sure to check them out. I've linked them down below. The good news is there is a 25% sale ongoing, and wait for it, you can actually get a complimentary bracelet every time you check out or when you check out. So make sure that you guys check out the link down below. Amazing quality for the products, really great value for money. Check them out. Rose Gold and Black, linked down below. This is the Nike Stussy Huarache. So it's a sneaker that I really, was so excited about that I ended up ordering two. So this pair is from one of my favorite sneaker resellers, an OG sneaker reseller, Shoe Freak PH. Isa sila sa mga pinakaunang nag-support ng channel ko. Lloyd, shout out to you, brother. And I ordered another pair from YOLO Manila as well. So I have two pairs incoming. So ano ba yan? Toinks. But anyway, so as you guys can see, this one comes in some sort of like a retro Nike box, orange at the top, striped at the bottom. You have the details of the sneaker here along the side. Buksan natin siya. Sorry, excited. Ang ganda talaga, guys. That is a nice shoe. OMG. I am really digging this one. So let's take a look at the other pair. Bam! That's really nice. I just love the color combination on this pair. The brown with the off-white cream color with that olive color along the side and that pop of red that you see at the tongue tab. I just feel that in terms of design and color, it's a well thought out sneaker. The colors just complement each other exceptionally well. And the Huaraches are known to be very comfortable. So I'm excited to actually put this on feet and try it on myself. But man, oh man, this is just insane. Yeah, I like brown colors. I like earth tones. So let's put it on feet and then I'll get back to you guys how comfortable or how, if they're worth, your time and your money. So hold on. So the good news is they are extremely comfortable. I love the foam. I love the upper. Very breathable, very roomy, works well even for my flat and wide feet. But take note that I did size up. I'm usually a size 12 to 12.5. I did get this at size 13, again from Shoe Freak PH. It's a very well thought out shoe. The comfort is there, the cushioning is there, very easy to wear because of the sock-like fit. And again, overall, when it comes to the look, the design, the style, 2 thumbs up for me. Arguably one of my favorite Nike shoes so far for the year. So yeah, guys, check it out. This is the Nike Stussy Huarache. Pick this one up from Shoe Freak PH. Excited to get my second pair. Well, what will I do with second pair? From our friends over at YOLO Manila. So guys, what do you think of the shoe? Let me know in the comment section down below. Panalo ba siya? Basura ba siya? Is it something that you would buy? Something that you would recommend? Hit the comments. I'll try my best to reply to as many of you as possible. By the way, quick announcement. Our new collaboration bag with Volve Manila is coming out April 30. So this is our EDC or Everyday Carry Side Bag. You have it in black with an accent of orange. It's waterproof, scratch resistant, really nice material for it. And it does have our iconography here at the bottom. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom. This bag is really made for your everyday essentials. Your smartphone, your alcohol, your cards, your money. Nothing above that. It's just built for what you need for the day. So if you guys are looking for a small, easy to carry, lightweight, affordable bag, this one is coming out April 30, again in collaboration with Volve Manila. Shout out Kendrick, Camille, Sean, guys, excellent work on this one. Do you see all of those shoes? Most, if not all of these shoes will be sold on our steel cabinet, online steel cabinet, which is on Instagram. So if you guys haven't seen our Instagram account yet, doon kami nagbebenta ng some of the shoes, different sizes. We have a couple of size 13, size 12s, some size 9, some size 10. So check it out, guys. Online steel cabinet on Instagram. I'll link it down below. Now, the shoes that we plan on selling are actually loaded already in this suitcase. I'll be dropping it off kay Sean before we hit the curfew hour. So, tara, sama kayo sa akin. Dali natin sa kanya. By the way, breaking news, guys. So it's 3:30 p.m. and I just saw that the government via Huarache announced that the lockdown is downgraded to MECQ until the end of April. But they didn't specify what that means. And apparently, he is going to explain it tomorrow pa. Now, before we head on over to Rockwell to drop off the shoes, I forgot. I have a talk pala. So, yeah. So, I'm supposed to do like a guesting on a radio show, online radio show, Global Pinoy, Rated GP with DJ Rocky Terra. We're going to talk about tips for online selling businesses. So, this is what the poster looks like, just so you guys see. Oh, di ba? Talaga naka-thumbs up pa tayo dyan, eh, no? So, my classic pose. Yeah. So, anyway, so I'll just do this, then I'll bring you guys along with me to drop off the shoes. If we still have time. Again, there is lockdown. The curfew is at 6 o'clock. So, hold on. I'll just do this. So, we just finished the talk. Oh, lakas sa araw. So, we just finished the talk from the Freebie Facebook page. So, maraming salamat to Freebie Philippines for having me talk about online selling. Mukhang malabo nang pupunta pa tayong Rockwell to meet up with Sean to deliver the stuff kasi it is past 5 o'clock already, so magka-curfew na. Ako, I'm still frustrated, hindi malinaw kung ano yung guidelines ng ECQ bukas eh. But yeah, that's the current situation that we're in. So I'll probably just get dressed down kasi nakabisa na ako pang going out. And then I'll probably wrap up the vlog from there. I hope you guys are all doing fine. I'm praying for all of you. Let's pray for one another. This is Carlo signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.